Welcome back to Passive Income Insiders, your trusty guide to making money online while you catch some Z's. In today's video, we'll dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing, a favorite among online money-making enthusiasts. We'll break down the basics of affiliate marketing, share tips on finding profitable niches, and explore popular affiliate networks that'll kickstart your affiliate journey. And don't worry, we'll sprinkle in some humor to keep things fun and engaging. Let's start with the million-dollar question. What exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn commissions by promoting other people's or companies' products and services. Think of it as being an online salesperson without the pesky 9-to-5 job. When someone makes a purchase using your unique referral link, you receive a percentage of the sale as a commission. It's like getting paid for recommending your favorite restaurant to a friend, but online and with a lot more people. So, how exactly does affiliate marketing work? Step 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific area of interest to target a particular audience. For example, if you're a cat lover, you might promote cat toys, cat furniture, or even cat-themed clothing. Step 2. Research products and services within your niche. Identify items that will resonate with your target audience. Sticking with our cat example, you could promote a best-selling cat tree or a top-rated cat litter. Step 3. Like this video. And subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any more valuable content from Passive Income Insiders. Step 4. Join affiliate networks or programs. Sign up for networks or programs that offer the products or services you'd like to promote, like Amazon Associates for all your cat-loving needs. Step 5. Create content. Develop engaging content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts, to promote your chosen products or services. Share funny cat memes alongside product reviews, or create a video about the top 10 cat toys every feline fanatic needs. Step 6. Include affiliate links. Sneak your unique referral links into your content like a cat stalking its prey. Step 7. Drive traffic. Use SEO, social media, and other strategies to attract visitors to your content. Just remember, patience is key. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day. Step 8. Earn commissions. Receive a percentage of each sale made through your referral links, and watch the money roll in like a cat with a fresh ball of yarn. Here are a few more tips for affiliate marketing success. Finding a profitable niche is crucial for successful affiliate marketing. Think of it as the foundation of your online money-making empire. Take into account your passions, interests, and expertise when selecting a niche. Are you a fitness enthusiast, a tech guru, or maybe even a gourmet chef? Research market demand, competition, and potential affiliate products or services. Focus on niches with high demand, low competition, and a variety of monetization options. It's like striking gold in the Wild West of the internet. Now on to the affiliate networks. Affiliate networks are like matchmakers, connecting affiliates with companies offering affiliate programs. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, Awin, formerly Affiliate Window, PartnerStack, CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, and ClickBank, the online dating apps of the affiliate world. Each network has its own set of rules, commission rates, and available products or services, so choose wisely. Research and join networks that align with your niche and goals. Now that you're well equipped with the basics, here are some tips to help you thrive in the world of affiliate marketing. 1. Be authentic and transparent. Trust is crucial when it comes to promoting products or services. Be genuine in your recommendations, and let your audience know that you may earn a commission from their purchases. 2. Focus on quality content. Create content that's engaging, informative, and entertaining, like a cat video that keeps you watching for hours on end. 3. Be patient. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort, so don't expect overnight success. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. 4. Stay updated. Keep an eye on industry trends, new products, and changing affiliate program terms to ensure you're always in the know. There you have it, folks. That's our introduction to affiliate marketing for beginners. But hold on to your hats, because we're not done yet. In our next video, we'll dive even deeper into the world of affiliate marketing, showing you exactly how we execute each step of the process. From choosing the right niche to optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts for success, we'll guide you through it all. So, don't miss out on the opportunity to become an affiliate marketing pro. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest videos.